Hello class 8, good morning. In our last class we have started chapter 5, unary, binary and ternary operator. So in the last class what I have taught you that unary operators are plus plus minus minus, and these operators works with a single operand. Binary operator we have studied that it works on the two operand like a plus b, 5 plus 7. And ternary operators works with the three operand. Today's class we are going to learn unary plus plus operator. The unary plus plus is called increment operator of Java. What is it called? Unary plus plus is called the increment operator of Java. What does it do? Unary plus plus operator increases the value of an operand by 1. This plus plus operator is used to increase the value of an operand by 1. Like plus plus x. It means x equal to x plus 1. Or we can write x plus plus. It means also x equal to x plus 1. So when the plus plus or minus minus operator is used before the variable, before the operand, before the variable means before the operand like plus plus x, then it is called unary. It is called prefix unary operator. It is called prefix unary operator. Prefix means comes before. And if the increment or decrement operator is used after the operand, like x plus plus, it is before, it is after, then it is called postfix unary operator. It is called postfix unary operator. There is some difference between both. We'll discuss. So for example, if a equal to 10, so plus plus a means a plus 1. A value is 10, so 10 plus 1 equal to 11. And if you write a plus plus also, meaning the same, 10 plus 1, 11. So what is unary increment operator? It is used to increase the value of an operand by 1. It comes in two forms. If the plus plus or minus minus operator comes before the operand, then it is called prefix unary operator, and if it comes after the operand, it is called postfix unary operator. Now, unary minus minus. It is called decrement operator of Java. What it is called? Decrement operator of Java. So unary minus minus is decrement operator of Java. Decreases the value of an operand by 1. It is just opposite of plus plus. Plus plus is used to increase the value of an operand by 1, and minus minus is used to decrease the value of an operand by 1. Like if I write minus minus p, it means p equal to p minus 1. Or you can write p minus minus also, this also the same meaning. That p equal to p plus minus 1. Okay? If a equal to 10, then minus minus a or a minus minus means 10 minus 1 and value will become 9. So just now we have learned unary plus plus increment operator, unary minus minus decrement operator. Plus plus increases the value of an operand by 1 and minus minus decreases the value of an operand by 1. It has got two forms. If it comes before the operand, it is called prefix. If it comes after the operand, it is called postfix. Now let us discuss what is the prefix or what is the postfix. If it is prefix unary operator, then it comes before the operand. So what is the definition? When the increment or decrement operator precedes means comes before its operand, then Java performs the operation of increment or decrement first. First it increases or decreases, and then use its value in the expression. So what happens? If it comes in the prefix means before, then first it increases or decreases the value, then use that value in the expression. Alright? And it means change and then use. What is the meaning of this? It means change and then use. So to be more clear by some examples, see the first example. If p equal to 5, suppose value of p is 5, then p equal to plus plus p into 4. So what will be final value of P? The plus P first increases the value. So 5 value will be increased by 1 because it plus P. The plus P means P plus 1. So 5 plus 1 comes 6 and 6 into 4 comes 24. So the final value of P will be 24. Okay. Second example. If A equal to 1, A value is 1 and S value is S value equal to 5, then what will be the value of A? Okay. A value is 1. A value became 1 plus S. S value is 5. The 5 plus 1 6. 5 plus 1 6. So 1 plus 6 7. So what is final value of A? Final value of A is 7. Now see the third example using the decrement operator. That was in increment operator. Now using the decrement operator. If D equal to 11, D value is 11. Then D equal to 4 plus minus D. The 4 plus minus D. The decrement operator decreases the value by 1. So D minus 1, the D value is 11. 11 minus 1 comes 10. The 4 plus 10 comes 14. So what is value of T? The value of T will be 40. Alright? Last example. If A equal to 1 and S equal to 5. A value is 1, S value is 5. And A equal to A into minus S. The A value is 1 into minus S. The 5 minus 1, 4. 1 into 4, 4. I think it's clear to you. So today what we have learned? Today we have learned what is the unary increment operator. Unary increment operator increases the value of an operand by 1. It has got two formats. If the plus sign comes before the operand, it is called prefix increment operator. If it comes after the operand, it is called postfix decrement operator. The same way, unary minus is called decrement operator. It is used to decrease the value of an operand by 1. Minus P or P minus is meaning P equal to P minus 1. So if A equal to 10, then minus 10 means 10 minus 1 equal to 9. So today's first one is prefix unary operator. In this what happens? First it increases the value of an operand or decreases the value of an operand, then use its value in the expression. And it means change and then use. Change and then use means change the value then is used. If P equal to 5, then plus P means 5 plus 1 6. The 6 into 4 24. A equal to 1, S equal to 5. So 1 plus S 5 plus S means 5 plus 1 6. So 1 plus 6 7. D equal to 11. 4 plus minus D. The D minus 1. 11 minus 1 10. 4 plus 10 14. A equal to 1, S equal to 5. So A value 1 into minus S means S minus 1. 5 minus 1 4. So 1 into 4 4. I think you have understood the topic. Practice it. Thank you.